Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, 8th October 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of September 25, 2024, our system has identified iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of -2.90%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -0.29% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower segment of a weak upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $94.93 be breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning sign of a possible trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 6.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.28% to 15.16%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 6.88% over the following year, with the potential return varying between 2.24% and 19.7%. This implies a price range of $97.12 to $113.10 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price up 0.169% on Tuesday. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price gained 0.169% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024. It rose from $94.83 to $94.99. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.737%, with a day low at $94.34 and a day high of $95.03. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 3.71% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $82.42. Currently, the price is 6.54%, or $6.65, below the 52-week high and 47.14%, or $84.71, below the all-time high recorded on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. As of October 4, 2024, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note reached 3.98%, with the 2-year note at 3.93% and the 30-year at 4.26%. This increase in yields follows a period of volatility in the bond market, particularly after a surprising 50 basis point cut by the Federal Reserve. Contrary to expectations, TLT has experienced a decline of approximately 3.5% since the highs of September, indicating market unease about rising yields despite the Federal Reserve's lower rates. Long-term bond yields have been climbing, driven by escalating inflation expectations, which could have significant implications for TLT. Investors are increasingly alert to the possibility that a prolonged period of inflation could suppress bond prices, especially if yields continue to rise. Furthermore, as TLT remains one of the most heavily traded exchange-traded funds, heightened trading activity suggests that investors are actively repositioning their strategies amid these developments. In the short term, increased volatility and rising yields may weigh on TLT prices, while in the longer term, a sustained inflationary environment could shift investor preferences away from bonds, further impacting TLT's valuation. The interaction between yields and economic sentiment will be crucial to monitor in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 7th, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 0.169%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $96.62 and $98.49. A breakout above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 76 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond finds support from accumulated volume at $94.81. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $0.69 between its high and low points, which translates to a movement of 0.737%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.669%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond is at $97.75. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond encounters its first support level at $94.81. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss in place. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF a good buy? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF displays several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of October, we expect the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond to open down 205/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $94.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.